I've made a locket for Not Natural exhibition. The reason I've chosen to make a locket is that traditionally a locket would contain a photograph and hair. And in this case, I've taken it to a contemporary realm where I've added a small sample of hair from a thylacine, which I was donated through Melbourne Uni, and also a little vial of DNA. So it sort of contains the building block to create a thylacine. And this idea of wearing it on the body has this preciousness. So choosing the locket, it was taking this idea, which is an old object, and thinking about what could fit within that space now and how I could relate that to the extinction and the thylacine. The Thylacine's a really sort of notoriously loved character in Tasmania. There's a nostalgia and a sense of sadness and loss around this creature. It's really exciting to be able to engage with Professor Andrew Pask with this. I've had some ideas and I've had some questions around this idea of de-extinction, and I really wanted to use this as an opportunity to get people talking about this and to engage in dialogue around whether people think we should bring them back, we shouldn't, or they're really not sure yet. With Science Gallery facilitating this experience to connect an artist and a scientist, I feel like it's really enriched the piece, and it's sort of this idea of taking a big concept and detonating it with a really approachable object such as jewellery. In this space, I'm really excited to see there's some artefacts and there's some other lab equipment and skulls, and I really hope people enjoy visiting and get to think about the question and just have some processing time and trying to understand if we agree, disagree, or are on the fence. I'm a jeweller and a creative thinker, but I don't have the knowledge that the science has, so it was really amazing to connect and visit TIGRR Lab and meet Professor Pask and get to ask those questions. I feel like I can process this and translate it into an art form and then share it back with the world.